morning. Yes, it's Monday. I'm heading off to Mittagong this morning. That's going to be my first stop of the day from Port Stephens to Mittagong. There we go. This is what I came for. Bit of the old dirt. Wow, look at this. Unreal. It's beautiful. I've turned off Wombiam Caves Road. I'm on Lang Road now. Been on it for about 2k. Its elevation's getting quite high. Righto, she's right to go. That's where we cross over, eh? Oh, beautiful. Here we go. First room. Yeah, I've pulled the pin. I'm going back to Goulburn. Didn't quite make my destination. Yeah, the roads are good nick, but they're slow going, and I'm going to run out of light. I do not want to be riding on these roads of a night time. All tubbed up at the Astor Inn in Goulburn. It's awesome. It's pretty good. The reviews on the place is pretty good too. Not too shabby at all. The AC works great. So day one, I've left Port Stephens and headed to Mittagong, gone through the Wombiam Caves Road and head out to Urandri to the little ghost town. I didn't quite make it. I had three major scares there. I had a pig had actually run into me, a kangaroo, and I nearly fell off the bike in a corner. So I pulled the pin and shot down to Goulburn first night. I'm going from Goulburn down to Tallangatta, where I actually stay for the night. Pick up all the forestry roads, all the roads that I can that are in the dirt, which were quite a few actually. So yeah, enjoy the ride. See if it works. Looked a bit dirty, so I'll shine it up a bit. It's definitely not blown, looking at it. Don't have the meter, obviously. You need the room on the bike. Might be something I might look at next time. Anyway, I'll whack it in. Just do a quick test. Press and hold. Oh. Yes, it works. That's all it was. That's what I've ridden into. It's we're about 50k from gas. The temp's gone down a little bit. It's down to 7. Yeah, it's thick fog. I know it's not dirt, but it's nice through here. state of Victoria. Yeah, today being the third day, I've gone from Tallangatta, shot out to Dartmouth Dam. There is a loop road that I was wanting to get onto, but it was closed. This is my very first helmet with a pin lock, and I've seen a few reviews where guys are having a few dramas with them fogging up. It defeats the purpose, but this one doesn't. It's a pearler. If you just want to know what it is down the track, you know, send me a comment and I'll put it all up. I might even do a review on the helmet one day. I've had it for nearly 12 months now. Hello. I can smell something burning. What is that smell? I can smell. I can see it. There's something coming up. What is that smell? Looks like someone's got a sense of humour in high places to put a sign like that up. That's pretty cool. Welcome to Dartmouth. Okay. I'll be stopping soon. I want to stop for a coffee and check out what's going on with this bloody leak. Dartmouth Dam. Holy smokes, look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this bike cool down and see if I can take a few things off and see where the hell that water leak's coming from. It's got me a bit worried. Look, with water leaks and coolant, as we all know, a bit of coolant smell, it really does stink and it does worry you a bit. So what I'm going to do is let it cool down. I've got the gear on the bike to sort of pull a few things off and make a cup of coffee, because it is goddamn freezing at the top here. But what a view. Oh, what a view. This is adventure riding at its best, eh? Fixing bikes up on the side of the road, making cups of coffee. Anyway, I'll get into it. Here we go. How we do it. Bit of this old crappy hydrated milk. Don't want to waste too much of it, so I'll pour most of that in. Stuff it. Water out of the Yeti. Shit. It's blowing steam. Must be cold.
quality coffee. Boiling. Oh, shit. Shit, what the fuck's going on here? Fuck! Fucking bang! Fuck! She's gonna go fucking boom that. It's going. Fucking hell. Excuse the language. Also, there goes my bloody cup of coffee. And the JETBOIL. Holy shit. There's the top. Man. What the frig happened then? I'm up for a new JETBOIL. Jesus. What the hell happened then? I was looking forward to that cup of coffee. Jesus. Any consolation, I got the rest of this. Man, that was crazy. Yeah. I'm thinking maybe I might not have had the bottle on tight enough. I swear I did. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to double check next time. I'm going to buy another JETBOIL. I think they are fantastic. I think this is just one of those things, isn't it? I've had it for probably 12, yeah, about 12 years. It's one of their very first ones they bought out. So, yeah, it is what it is. Okay, looks like I'll be buying a new one in Mornington. Just checking out to see where this water leak is this morning. I've just checked the reservoir, plenty of water in it, so I've lost virtually no water, but you can see it is dripping. I'm not sure where. We're about to start it up. May have to take that front stone guard off, but anyway, we'll see how we go. The visibility was shocking. There was also a lookout up here that I wouldn't have a look at, but there was no chance of getting any view, so I've had to go back to Mitta. I've gone down to Mount Beauty, to Bright, Myrtleford. Instead of doing the shortcut through here to Mansfield, I decided to go over to Glenrowan and have a look. Then got some forestry roads back down into Mansfield, so that's where I stayed for the night.
I think that's me there. Didn't think I was going to be on dirt today. Let alone slippery mud. Shit. Oof. This stuff is wet and slimy. Oh, and foggy. Oh man, I'm in that soup again. Whew. Won't do that on the corners. Struth. Oh. Just feel it slipping from under me. Hey, shit. Glad there's a bit of a stone base to it. Looks like we're going back up again. Yep, we are. It's definitely getting better to ride. The surface isn't as slippery as the other side there. It's a lot more. It's got a better base to it under the clay. Made it to Mount Beauty. I'm going to go and find a cup of coffee. Ooh, is that a spot there? Are they open? No. What's that? No. Coffee time, coffee time.
Through the window, past the dirt road, watching clouds flow through the sky, where the time stands still, where my world was built, in the walls I left behind, of all the places I've been. It never changes like them, like an old friend that can come and go. This will always be my home.
What's this scenic lookout? Now, I've been here before, and spectacular through here. What do you think today? Oh man, it's truth. I can talk about filthy. So for the people that recognise this lookout, they would know that this is spectacular. Yeah, not so much today. There's a nice entry into Bright, isn't it? Wow.